What's up, everybody? Isaiah Gaming here, back with Geometry Dash Lit or Light. It's lit or light, I don't know. So, I decided to make this video again after you know what happened last time. You know, this. So, I'm gonna try to get as far as I can on this. Now, this is hard, okay? Okay, I never got this far. Okay, I just died. So, I can't pass this. I was practicing 5 minutes ago and I decided to make a video, so I'm here. Oh my god. Okay, I gotta jump on that yellow jump pad. Also, I'm really sick. So, if you hear me coughing, don't mind it. It's not the time right now. What the heck? That is some weird game, bro. Oh god, I died by cough. Wow. So yeah, I basically just have a cough, I think. I don't know. But it's not. I gotta stop jumping that. Now I'm messing up. This is not good. Not a good start. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna start to panic. When I start to panic, that's not good. I don't want to panic. Okay, there we go. Don't jump! It's probably because I'm jumping so much. You guys heard nothing about it. You heard none of that cough, okay? Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I got 10%. That's my new best. It's the furthest we're going to get here. Probably. I didn't tap. The heck was that? That sounded like a robot for a little bit. That was weird. Also, I hear people. And no, I'm not hallucinating. I'm actually, I was playing Xbox and I said, I'm going to make a quick video. So they said, okay. So, they can't hear me right now because I'm muted. But, I'm playing with Daisy and my good friend Ethan. Not Ethan as you saw in the trampoline fails. The, other Ethan. The one you saw on an old channel. Or a really old video. I played Roblox with him. He was the quiet one. So yeah, I hear both of them. They're talking about cars or something. I don't know. Helicopters. Anyways, again, go check out Daisy's channel. So, I'm going to keep doing this until I can get far. Also, leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. So that way you can tell me all the secrets to Geometry Dash and how to beat the game. Okay, come on. Are those like mini saws? But they're just not sharp? Hold on, I think they are. Yes, they are. How do I get past that? Oh my god. Oh god. They're talking about ladders or something? Why you guys... Hold on. I'm gonna pause. You guys are gonna listen to this. Or at least listen to me talking. Why are you guys talking about ladders? You're interrupting my video. What is wrong with you guys? Stop talking about weird ladders. Talking about flying or stuff. This is going in the video, by the way. Because I wanted to go in the video. And I don't want to end the video, so... Okay, I'm going to go back to doing my stuff, and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back. They said mute them, and I'm not going to. No. You're interrupting even more. Just... Okay, I'm going to try to ignore you guys. It's fine. The video's almost over anyways. Oh god, I'm going to die. Okay, so they're doing stuff. We're playing some Xbox together. Don't mind that. Just... Okay, I'm going to make another video later. Maybe a live stream. Tell me if you guys want a live stream on something on Xbox. Okay, before the end of this video, I'm going to show you what I have on my Xbox. And maybe you could see a live stream of it. Alright? That could be even better than what we do here. Just play Geometry Dash, you know. I would be screaming off my head, but I'm trying to... What is this? Why is there a fidget spinner thing? Okay. Now, I'm going to do this. I'm just going to go to what I was doing before. That's way too hard. My cube is not fit for that, so we're just going to keep doing this until we get past it. Which we will. Also, put hashtag IG down below. And if you are new here, definitely subscribe and hit that like button. So, how do I, what now? Just, okay, I kind of ran out of things to say. Okay, this actually never happens. And I can't cut this out. People are getting mad on the microphone. / Ethan, I don't know why. He said he blew up his own airplane or something. He's playing with cars or maybe, I don't know. Alright, we've got this. We got this. We got this. This is intense gameplay of Geometry Dash. It's actually going fast through my eyes right now. I am freaking out. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's only attempt. This is only attempt 2? Attempt 3? How many attempts can you get on this? Like 1 million? Is there a limit of attempts that you can do? Or no? Yeah. Tell me what you guys want to see more of. Five Nights at Freddy's, Geometry Dash, a game that's free because I don't feel like spending money. I will eventually, and I will save it as a, and if you put it as a comment down below. So, let's just fly our little spaceship to a victory, and then we won't die. Moo ha ha ha, we did it. Oh my god. What is wrong with my voice? I don't know what's happening. I'm scared. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I'm trying my hardest not to cough right now. It's super hard not to cough. Oh god. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Alright, the video's gonna stop. No, it's not. Never mind. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. Don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm talking about. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Isaiah. Guys, if you say that I can do this, then we can do this. Okay? Comment down below and say you can do this, and I bet you anything I can do this. Okay, how did I do that? I literally jumped over that spike like a boss. Okay, let's go. One more run of this, and I'll show you what I would tell you what games I have and what you want to see for broadcast. Maybe friends. I don't know what you guys like. So leave a comment down below. And let's try to beat Geometry Dash. The entire game. The entire thing. Boom, boom, boom. I would get that, but too risky. Way too risky. Alright, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Boom, boom. Oh my god, I almost died. I don't want to die. Please, no, I have so much to live for. I'm just a little cube. Okay, no, I don't want to buy stuff. Okay, I'm going to show you what I have on my games. Okay, let's go to camera. Just ignore all of what you're seeing. Okay. So, if you want to see some Call of Duty, Cuphead, Fortnite, Friday the 13th, Minecraft, Human Fall Flat, Grand Theft Auto. Yes, I do have that game. Probably not that. I don't know what that came from, but whatever. Mortal Kombat, Roblox, Subnautica, or Escapist 2? Let me know in the comments down below. This is the end of the video. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.